Hey, what's up? As you know, camera is the main feature of UMIDIGI A5 Pro because the new phone has triple camera on the back with a wide-angle lens. I think it will be the most useful and interesting video about this phone. Also, you can watch unboxing, performance test and battery test of UMIDIGI A5 Pro by the links in description. Now let's start camera test. As I already said, UMIDIGI A5 Pro has triple camera on the rear panel. The main sensor is 16MP Sony IMX398 with f1.8 aperture. The second sensor is 8MP with 120° ultra-wide angle. The third 5MP sensor is used for depth effect. By the way, you can see all these sensors on the back in Antutu and other benchmarks. That could mean that all sensors are real. This is a big surprise from $100 phone. As you know, the second and third sensors on many other budget phones are fake. On the front panel, there is 16MP camera with f2.0 aperture. The camera up looks like this. As usual, there is shutter button and a gallery icon at the bottom. The shooting modes are bokeh, beauty, picture and video. The most important icon is on the top. This is ultra-wide mode. You can use wide shooting modes both on photos and videos. The photo settings menu is standard. Here you can choose anti-shake, picture, white balance, ISO, photo sound, watermark and other options. In video settings menu you can choose the video resolution, electronic image stabilization, microphone, etc. It's time to look at real sample photos and video. As usual, I want to start with sample photos in good lighting conditions in daytime. You have wrote in comments that the camera of UMIDIGI A5 Pro is very bad. I have to agree with you. For some reason the photos have a yellow tint. Most likely it is a software problem, and I hope UMIDIGI company will solve it in the future. Also, I have installed Google Camera, but the photos are not much better. They still have a yellow tint. From other side, the photos in ultra-wide mode have natural colors, without yellow shade. I don't know how this happened. As for bokeh effect, I think it really works, but not very accurately. The front camera is bad, the selfies are blurry. Actually, you need to evaluate the camera by night photos. Most budget phones make terrible images in low light conditions. It's a pity, but UMIDIGI A5 Pro is one of them. Night shots are really bad. They are overexposed and unclear. As I already said, the maximum video resolution is Full HD. You can also use wide lens while video shooting. The videos have the same problems as the photos. The footage is yellow. UMIDIGI company said that the main feature of UMIDIGI A5 Pro is camera, but this is not so. The phone has beautiful design, good performance and battery, but bad camera. I don't know why, but the photos and videos have yellow tint. Most likely the problem will be fixed with software updates, but for now the camera is very bad. Perhaps I have defective phone. Write in comments below if you already have UMIDIGI A5 Pro. Do you have the yellow photos or not? Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.